Hi, Susan from Susan's Art and Junk Journaling. I took about 3 or 4 of my older books and tore up some pages so that I've got differing colors, differing fonts. Love it. When we bought our house, there was a whole bunch of these white paper bags in the garage in a 55-gallon drum. I believe the previous homeowner was a Mary Kay salesman. She had her office painted pink when we bought this house. I think what I'm going to do is just kind of glue some things onto the fronts of these 4 bags and these 4 bags, just for something to do. I'm trying to be creative, don't have a direction, just want to do something. You have one of those days? And let's see if I can come up with something that's kind of fun. After I'm done gluing all of these on, I will be doing Mod Podge. And then when that's dry, I'll probably sew around them just for some added interest. I'm going to dry these a little more and then I'll take them to my sewing machine. This turned out pretty good. I'm pleased with the variation in color. I think it's pretty eye-catching for being neutral colors. I think the music page is really what shines on these, don't you? Book pages have been painted red. Just iron them flat and the glue on the edge is reactivated. And I find this red very, very bright. I've got some stencils and a flat sponge brush.